how to change layout in Google Slides. Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel HowToBrowser. In this video I'll show you how you can change layout in Google Slides. Make sure to watch this video until the very end because you don't want to miss any steps. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing because I'm trying to provide you here with solutions that you may have, with solutions for problems that you may have online. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So now let's head over to Google Slides. Go to Google Slides. You can go by writing in search bar Google Slides or go to docs.com google.com presentation, and now choose your presentation. From here, now what you need to do is to select slide right here, and now here you can click layout. You have new slide, duplicate, and here we have layout, and from here you can change the layout, which means its layout is the way your text and images are organized on a slide. I hope this video helped you guys. That's what you need to do. That's how you change layout. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos. See you guys in the next one. Take care.